video. So today, we're in Walla right now, but there was something that we found out that was pretty surprising. Actually, it happened yesterday, but there's actually, I'm gonna get out of the car right over here to show you guys by our river, but these several rivers are like this. So it's gonna be a little loud, but that's flooding. That's flooding. I'm gonna do it over there. So that's pretty intense. It's actually pretty close to the bridge. So that's what's happening right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to show you it's just like this everywhere else. But yeah, it's just like this pretty much everywhere else. So hope you guys enjoy.